Not gone missing because he always tries, but he's not been as effective. He's not been affecting the games in the way that you want him to just as much lately. But today, wow. What argument's that, Cinnamon? Sorry, lad. Oh, no fucking way! They've given the penalty in the last fucking second! Fuck you, ref! You big fucking on the take bastard official, Mel! I don't believe it! No fucking way! Diogo Dallo, you've slid in there, bro. What are you doing, Diogo? Fucking hell! Why do you do these things? We got 2 fucking minutes to go! Diogo Dallo just fallen over into his back legs, mate, and giving away the pen! Diogo Dallo! Oh, no, guys, it's a fucking shark-worthy moment from us. Just when we got 1 minute to go, it's like this bastard Brentford game all over again! Come on, please rule this off or something. Have a look at the VAR and fucking rule this off or something, please. How can this be? How can this be? They're checking the VAR here. Dallo slipped and put his arm around him and brought him down. It's a penalty. No, it's not. No, that's a fucking dive, bro. He's barely touched him. It's not a pen, mate. They can't give this. When you see the other angle, there's definitely no fucking pen. He's barely touched the guy. He's literally fallen over behind him and just glanced him with his right hand. It's a dive. It's an absolute stonewall dive. It's a dive! There's no way they can give this! There's no way they can give this, guys! It's an absolute dive! No pen. Pen or no pen, guys. Pen or no pen. Yeah, you look at the way that Chelsea's cover goes down! Like his ankles have been clipped. He simulated that. He's definitely not been clipped. Dallo's barely touched him. Dallo's fallen over. That's no pen! You can't give this! If they give this, you just know they've got it in for us. They hate Manchester United. If they give this, that is no penalty, guys. That's the softest pen you'll ever see if that's given. Yeah, Dallo's fallen. Matey boy has got the space to carry on, but he decides to go to ground. He decides to go to ground. This is a disgrace if they give this, guys. It's a disgrace if they give this, guys. They can't, if you ask me. They actually can't. Now you've watched that. Now everybody's watched that. They can't give it. Oh, come on, you fucking wanky piss podcast controversial bastard officials! They got this agenda again. That's not a fucking penalty! That's not a fucking pen! It's not! They fucking stitched us up again! I don't believe it, man! Never a pen! Never a fucking pen! Come on, Andre Onana, mate. Please, up against Palmer here. Ref blows his whistle. Palmer steps up with a pen. For fuck's sake, mate! It's in the back of the net there, guys. It's in the fucking back of the net there. Chelsea have got the job done with that penalty, and it's a fucking travesty! Yes, Andre Onana! You know, he dives the wrong way there, and Diogo Dallo slips over, and there's a tiny little bit of contact. Just a tiny little bit of contact. But really, the player has gone over too easily. He's simulated the dive. He has dived. It is not a foul. It is not a penalty. Just because you get fucking breathed on in the box doesn't mean you have to go to ground and cheat. He's a fucking cheating bastard. And what it's cost us is the fucking game. Oh no, Chelsea have got us open. They've got another chance to win. Chelsea, get it away. Oh, good tackle, good tackle, good tackle, good tackle. Good tackle by Mount. Mason Mount. Well done, Mason Mount. Well done, Mason Mount. They've almost cut us open and made it 4-3, guys. I can't buy this, guys. This is fucking bullshit. We've been done. Chance for Chelsea! Oh, no! 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 It's 4-3 to Chelsea, guys! Oh, no! It's 4-3 to Chelsea! Palmer's deflected shot! You lucky blue bastards! They're fucking bastards!
Get in there, my son.
This is an absolute fucking implosion, guys. That was some awful defending by United there, mate. And we've just fucking lost 4 to these Chelsea cats, mate! There's the fucking final whistle! I don't believe it. I don't fucking believe how we can just fucking crumble like that, man. This Manchester United side has got no bollocks at all. We've had a fucking bollockectomy. With Ten Hag coming in, he looks like a fucking bollock. Him and Mitchell do fucking bollocks in a sack with their heads put together. Since then, we've lost the fucking bollocks. How can we not see that game out? How can we not see that game out, guys? It's fucking unreal. I don't get it. I just don't get it. I don't understand. Yes, the officials have fucked us in the arsehole. Raw! There. But we should absolutely have enough to see the draw out at least. To just crumble like that at the end. Yes, we had our heads in our hands. Yes, we'd all over the place with that horrible blow that we've received there at the end with that penalty. But you've got to keep your wits about you and see the fucking point out, you twats! They've crumbled at the end! They've fucking crumbled it! The mentality of these guys is unbelievably in the shitter. What a bunch of melters! If ever there was a reason to get rid of half of these fucking wankers in the summer, this is a reminder, isn't it? The mentality is weak in this side. How have we not seen that out? How have we not seen that game out? I don't get it, guys. Ten Hag, and the players there at the end. Should be seeing it out. They should be seeing it out. They're so fucking lucky, though, Chelsea. They're so fucking lucky. You wanky, pissed up, gas-tastic Chelsea wankers getting in it. You didn't deserve fuck all from that in the end. Yes, you kept it going. Yes, you fair play to you and everything. But you were fucking lucky to get back into the game with that penalty. Fucking unbelievable, this, man. It's actually fucking unbelievable. I'm fucking incensed, mate. I'm fucking incensed with this. I'm fucking incensed. It just makes no sense, man. How we can crumble so badly like that. When it was 3-2 with literally no time left, I just expected that's the end of the game. We've got the 3 points. Then the officials just make up a penalty, give them a penalty. They're allowed to just fucking put that in the back of the net. There, here, have a free pen, Chelsea, even though it wasn't a fucking pen. And then after that, I don't know, United all at sea. We just, didn't regroup after that goal. It's like we couldn't believe that the goal had just been given, that the penalty had been given. And we just couldn't fucking regroup, mate. We couldn't fucking regroup. And now, look what's happened, guys. We've absolutely fucking bottled it. You know what's crazy as well? Chelsea have got a game in hand in us now, and if they win that, they're only 2 points behind us. Top 4's gone. We're 11th place off of Villa with only 1 game in hand on them. We needed to win that bastard game in order to potentially have a chance of getting top 4. Never mind this top 5 gashness. We can't even get top 5. Spurs are fucking shitloads ahead of us. You know you've had a shit season when Spurs are that far ahead of you. This has just been Right, let's just analyse the game real quick, guys. Let's analyse the performance. Let's analyse the players. Let's analyse Ten Hag. Let's analyse the absolute fucking wank That's what it is. Because ultimately it's finished in a massive steaming pile of shit on a plate in front of you. Rather than culminating in a nice moment of fucking winning the game or at least getting something from the game. We still found a way to shart it. So guess what? Doesn't matter that the performance was good for much of the game. Doesn't matter that Alejandro Garnacho's had a great pace. Doesn't matter that Anthony Dos Santos has actually not performed like a fucking pudding for a change. None of that fucking matters in the end, does it? When you lose like that. When you go to bits of the back like that. None of it matters anymore. That's a hard one to take, that is, guys. That's a hard one to take, that, for many reasons. We had it in the palm of our fucking hand there. We had it in the palm of our fucking hand. And then what happens? Palmer fucking takes it out of our fucking hands there. The official takes it out of our hands. Oh, fuck off, Dan Hammer, you fucking Liverpool wanker. Thanks for the $5. Now go and fucking shaft your favourite sleeve of your favourite jacket, you twat. Oh, my God. I can't believe it, man. I just can't believe it. Sonny, thanks for the membership there, mate. I've got to get some things off my chest here, folks. So, the setup of United today was shite, actually, initial 20-30 minutes. But then we've adapted into the game. We've turned it around. We've got a hand up in the game. We were 2-0 down. We've got a leg up in the game with a mistake by them at the back. We've fucking taken that opportunity, and then we scored again. And then we got the fucking winner. The game's in the palm of our hands. All we have to do is see out the fucking game, mate. That's all we have to do. That's all we have to do is just be organised for the last 2 minutes of the game there. But it's all gone to shite. I mean, Diogo Dalot, he slipped up. I don't even blame Diogo Dalot there, man. You know, yeah, he's just lost his footing out from underneath and he's not trying to do anything. It's not even reckless from the guy. He's just fallen over. In doing so, he's put his hand across the body. And because of that, they've given the fucking pen. But in reality, it's a dive. That should have never been a penalty. So I feel super hard done by the fact that the officials have stitched us up today. And do you know what? I'm going to just say this now. The first pen, that wasn't a fucking pen either. Okay, the second one was even less of a pen. But the first one, that wasn't even a fucking pen either, mate. So the officials really have absolutely bottled us over today, mate, and stitched us up. But even so, how weak of a mentality of a gas-tastic, gas-sided fucking bald bastard lovers do you have to be for this Ten Hag side to just completely melt the way they have done, mate? Goodness me, do you know what? I'm sorry, this is it. I think it's a nail in the coffin for the man. Look, it's funny, isn't it? It's a roller coaster of emotions. You go through from one extreme to the other. We started the game awfully. It's like you're thinking, what the fuck is this Ten Hag melt doing in charge of this side, getting them playing like this? And then we turn it around and we show resilience, and we show bottle, and we show a bit of quality. Anthony Dos Santos, his signing plays pass of the season, etc. And you're thinking, oh, maybe there's a little bit of life left in him yet. Maybe there's a bit of light at the end of the tunnel, so to speak. Oh, no. Not at all. Not at all. It turns out that this man is actually just a perennial melter. Just like some of these players in this side. Because you can't go where we are in the league now with the goal difference we've got now. We've got a negative fucking goal difference. So 2 minutes ago I was saying now our goal difference is +1. Now it's fucking -1 or whatever it is. The overall display of this United side under Ten Hag this season has been fucking shit! Don't care what any of you say! How can you justify it? Yes, okay, there's been some moments in there. Nice one, we beat Liverpool 4-3 in the FA Cup. Let's fucking nosh each other off over it forever, shall we? You can't rest on your fucking laurels about it, mate. It's about how you do next week. Next week we got done against Brentford. This time we got done against Chelsea. Fucking shite, mate! We need a new idea, need a new direction, need a new coach, need a new regime, need new owners, need new players, need new fucking everything. Because this isn't the answer, guys. This isn't the answer, mate. No. Old baldy Ten Hag isn't the answer here with his fucking super chat. What? -1 goal difference? He isn't the fucking answer. Getting dumped out the group stage of the Champions League. He isn't the fucking answer, mate. 6th place in the fucking Prem. 11 points off of Villa in 4th. He's not the fucking answer, is he? Let's be honest here. Listen. If you get a sexually transmitted disease like syphilis, you best get yourself down the old gum clinic and get some fucking antibiotics and treatment for it. You know what I mean? You don't just let it go until your fucking head falls off. You know what I mean? Why the fuck are we continuing with our fucking head falling off, mate? It's true though, isn't it, guys? Like, if you've got a problem, you've got to change it. You have to change it. You don't just continue blindly. You don't just continue blindly. Thank you, Moripoto. Paul Wilburton, thank you. Right, guys, I'm going to get into the chat for a bit now. Everyone, if you want to have your say, make sure you smash the like and subscribe to the channel. You do need to be subscribed to chat, but you only need to be subscribed for 1 second. So if you want to get in here and have your say, hit the subscribe button real quick. Give us a massive subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're on here for Motion Night Games, and hit the like. And now get your thoughts in there. I'm going to read the chat out for a good bit. Get your thoughts and opinions in. I'm going to dip out the chat. There's a lot of people